Two people open the exact same ChatGPT. Same app, same subscription, same monthly bill. One gets generic, forgettable answers. The other gets replies so sharp they almost feel unfair. The difference isn't the tool. It's 5 things, and most people don't know a single one. Trick 1, and the one nobody uses. Stop asking ChatGPT for answers. Tell it to ask you questions first. Add one line. Before you answer, ask me 3 questions that would make your answer sharper. Watch what happens. Instead of guessing, it interviews you. And the final answer is built for your exact situation, not a template. Trick 2, custom instructions. Buried in settings under personalization, this lets you tell ChatGPT who you are and how you want it to reply one time. Your job, your city, whether you want short answers or detailed ones. Set it once and every single chat after that respects it. Most people have never opened this menu. Trick 3, make it grade its own work. After any answer, type, rate that honestly out of 10, then rewrite the parts that scored low. It will actually catch its own weak spots, the generic intro, the missing example, and fix them. You get the second draft without asking twice. Trick 4, memory. ChatGPT now quietly remembers things about you across chats, and most people never check what. Go to Settings, Personalization, Memory. You can see everything it's saved, keep what is useful, and delete what is wrong or outdated. Controlling this is the difference between a helpful assistant and one that keeps repeating a mistake. Trick 5, projects. If you keep re-explaining the same thing every chat, you are working too hard. A project bundles your files, your instructions, and its own memory in one place. Open it, and ChatGPT already knows the whole context. One project for your job, one for your side hustle, one for your studies. And if you want the actual pro move, the one most people have not even heard of yet, Claude now has a feature called Skills that automates this entire idea. That is next week's video. Subscribe so you do not miss it. 5 tricks. Question it first. Set your instructions, make it grade itself, control its memory, use projects. Pick one and use it in your next chat. Subscribe and I will make you genuinely good at this, 1 week at a time.